This is my house at my lake. So first of all, let's go into my garage. There's a giant furnace there. Yeah. And my stuff, a couple of boat motors, skateboard, helmet, disco ball, stuff like that. And yeah, here's my rod. A 2005 Suzuki DRZ 125. It runs really good. It's a bit dirty right now, and it's in the winter, so I'm not going to be riding it anytime soon. But yeah, my snowmobiles aren't here quite yet. So my later bodybuilding system, a couple bikes. That's pretty much it in here. Not much. I'm building a two-car garage away from here with a top tread. Okay. Now, moving on to the living room area. Here's my Sony DLP 1080i HDTV in here. Yeah. We got Star Choice, DVD player, stereo system, all around here and stuff. Yeah. Moving on to my couch. There, fireplace. And now, in here, here's my kitchen. The fridge. Not that much in here right now. If I want a drink, I'll have some root beer or something. And here's my freezer. Nothing special. My stove. Yes, I am. There's cabinets. Nothing too special here. Kitchen table. Window to go outside. Down here. See outside. Yeah, it's pretty snowy out here right now. Now moving upstairs into my man cave. Here's my man cave, my bedding area right there. My desk. Assassin's Creed 2. Yeah. Here's my entertainment area. I got some stuff here. Move this over here. Play some Guitar Hero World Tour. Turn this on. My Xbox.
Custom Zebra.
Yeah.
2 TVs.
360.
Surround sound.
2 TVs here. TVs. Just gonna move this over here so you can see the screen. See here. Just gonna grab this. I don't have much music in here.
Here we go for the 100th time. Hand grenade pins in every line. Throw them up and let something shine. Going out of my fucking mind.
Okay, that's that. Some games I got here. So this. Set this over there. My night vision goggles. No. My night vision goggles. The game's right there. Yeah, move those. Anyways, I got a Sanyo amplifier right here, so turn it on for a second. Turn the music on, press play. No, you use the controller.
No excuse, find a new place to hang this news. Bring me up from atop these roofs. Not attack so I won't get loose. Truth is you can stop and stare. Let myself out and no one cares. Grab the truck out, lay down there with a shovel up out of reach somewhere. Yeah, someone throw it in. Make it a dirt dance floor again. Say your prayers and stop it out when they bring that chorus in. I bleed it out, taking deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, taking deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, taking deeper.
Anyway, that's that, and I also got a 3 compact disc graphics karaoke machine. Here, I don't remember what I put the mics. PS1 down here. 2 TVs hooked up with the same thing. Yep, that's my man cave. Moving on. Over here. Here, this is my grandma's room. It's got all of her appliances in here. It's pretty clean. It's clear 3 stories down here. It's pretty big. It's a ways going down. And here, my dad's room. Got a dresser right here. Guitar Hero World Tour box. Bunch of clothes. Nice table. TV. Clean desk, clean bed. Panel. Again, Star Choice. That. Yeah, well, that's it. Just a lamp right there. Things all organized and stuff. Dresser. There's one here. So, what I've done is got some animals here. Bald eagle down there. Owl, great horned owl. Not that. Barn owl, actually. Sorry. Got some things over here. Got a bear. That, all that. It's my dad watching his new TV. 57-inch Sony DLP. Rear projection. It's got more colors than anything. Any kind of TV out there. HD. TVs. Here, everything. Bedding area again. My foosball table. Forgot to mention. Coat hanger. Laser tag. Original Xbox. CDs. Suitcases. Another suitcase. Backwards table that I'm fixing. And yeah. Well, I've shown you my garage, my ride, my man cave, my buddy Nathan, and I've showed you my living room, my kitchen, my fridge, my dad's room. Now you might want to go out now.